I just got the world record for the Pass the Scene View Flying Test Unity tutorial speedrun. Let me explain.
Sub 10!
So Unity is a game engine, and it has a ton of tutorials on its site to help you learn it. Specifically, I'm learning the Unity Essentials. Within the Unity Essentials are the Editor Essentials, and within the Editor Essentials is the Pass the Scene View Flying Test. The purpose of this tutorial was to show you that you can enable things in the hierarchy by clicking this checkbox, and now there are rings that appear on screen. And then the goal is to challenge you to go from ring 1 to ring 2, ring 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then back to ring 1. The challenge here is for you to learn how to navigate through all the rings as fast as possible by navigating the Unity editor. It's a very fun challenge that, well, I'm a speedrunner, so I took it too seriously. But before we continue, let me teach you what Unity taught me. First, moving around a scene. If you right click, your cursor becomes an eyeball and you can look around. And if you press WASD while doing that, you can kind of just look around as you would in a game. Second, how to frame a game object. If you click on a game object like ring 1 and press F, it frames it in the scene editor. And then if you press Alt and left click and drag around, it'll let you move around the object, aka orbit around the object that you're looking at. Then if you right click and use WASD, we can navigate through the rings. But now we have to do it as fast as possible. Here's the thing though, Unity themselves said, for an added challenge, set a timer to see how long the course takes and try to beat your record a couple times. Sounds like speedrunning to me. But before you speedrun, you need a goal, and the first goal is to beat the world record, of course. And as far as I'm concerned, the world record is simply whatever this guy did, whoever published the tutorial, that's the world record. So I'm gonna try to beat this guy's time. But which time am I gonna beat? And what I mean by that is there's actually two different categories here. I'm going to beat them both, but let's start with the first one. The rules for the first category are very simple. You have to select the next ring, press F to frame it, hold Alt and left click to orbit behind the ring and aim it at the other ring, and zoom through the center using the scroll wheel. And then once you've zoomed past it, you can click on the next ring, press F, and do the same process. So the question is, how fast did the tutorial do it? Timer starts when he moves. This guy is a professional scroll wheeler. Pretty good. That's an amazing split, by the way. That is an impressive split. Not bad. Good angle. Nice arrow placement. Good gizmo operation. Those things are the gizmos. Phenomenal. I mean, look at that. And bam. That's a 33-second time, roughly. I think we can get a sub 30. I think we can get a sub 30. So the time to beat is a sub 30 for the Scene View Flying Test Unity tutorial. That's the first goal. All right. Time starts when I move through the red ring. This is my first attempt. 3, 2, 1, go. Press F to go onto it. Orbit camera, scroll through. Click F, orbit camera, scroll through. Please click. Oh God, click. Oh God. All right, we're fumbling it. We're fumbling it. Okay, click, click, click. Okay, F, orbit camera. Scroll, 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 scroll. Click F, orbit camera. Scroll, 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 scroll. Click F, orbit camera. Scroll, 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 scroll. Click. Hey, bud. My dog just growled at me. What's up, bud? All right, time 52-ish seconds. All right, well that was a little bit of a fumble evident. Is there hidden tech for like scrolling faster? All right, let's go again. 3, 2, 1, go. Please. Bad split, bad split. Dude, it takes me so long to get through that one. I don't know why. Oh, I'm so mad. Oh, please let me through. Dude, is it just like a bad angle? What's wrong? Ooh, time. Okay. All right, 39. Hey, that's a pretty good time. I mean, that was a 20-second time save basically over my last. All right, that was pretty good. I still have to shave 10 seconds off. Attempt number 3. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Brutal. How did he do that? They had to have had macros. How do you zoom faster? Can you zoom faster? And how to zoom or scroll wheel faster in Unity? I need scrolling tech. Notice the difference? There's a very slight difference in the distance. You got to make sure that you choose the closest. Okay, wait, I found the actual tech. You want to just drag from the top of the screen down as fast as I can. Let me try again. Fuck, I deleted the ring. Oh my god, it was almost a sub 30. So at this point, I've been doing it for like 7 years, and I kind of need to just call it quits and see what the best time I can get after this training session is. Is it the world record? I don't know. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. $31.43. I think that's a new world record. So anyway, the whole point was that you press F to frame the ring. You can hold Alt to orbit camera around it, and then you zoom through the center. With the first challenge complete, I went onto the next challenge page and discovered that there is a second challenge. Once you frame orbit, zoomed your way through, try to complete the gore. Wait. Oh. Wait. There's another category. And the rule is that you have to right click and use WASD, and you have to go through every single ring. So ready? 3, 2, 1. Go. Yeah, that's pretty good. 15 is pretty good, man. So what did our tutorial guy friend do? We are maybe lagging a little bit on our turns. Oh, missed a turn there. Kind of getting the angle a little bit too slowly here. I'm not quite sure what they're doing. It seems like they're aiming towards the sky. Oh, down below. And then missed the angle. I didn't even get to see the end of his run. It's cut off. He got easily a over 20-second time, which means if I just do it once perfectly, I get the world record. 3, 2, 1, go. It's ring 2, ring 3, ring 4. Oh shit. Ring 5, ring 6, ring 7, ring 8 time. 1484, baby. All right, we take it. That's world record. But I got to do it again. I think we can do better. I'm not happy yet. 3, 2, 1, go. Sub 10, let's go. I'm kind of bored now. I think I've probably played this more than literally any other human on the entire planet. So. And if you like this video, I plan to be doing some more Unity speedrun tutorials where basically I try to learn something cool in Unity as fast as possible. And of course, share it with you. So subscribe if that sounds interesting. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a good day.